Have you ever wanted to produce movie-quality scenes without renting a studio, buying expensive cameras, or hiring a full production team? What if you could design cinematic visuals, dramatic action shots, and emotional storytelling scenes directly from your computer? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create professional cinematic images and videos using Higgsfield.ai and its powerful feature, Cinema Studio 2.0. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, marketer, or someone who simply loves high-quality visuals, this tool can completely change your workflow. The access link is available in the video description. Once you sign up and log in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly dashboard with multiple AI models available. Today, we'll focus specifically on Cinema Studio 2.0, which is built for realistic film-style production. First, click on the Cinema Studio 2.0 feature. At the top, you will see a creative box asking, "What would you shoot with an infinite budget?" This is where you describe your dream scene. You get two options, image and video. Let's start with image. Simply type your prompt. For example, a warrior riding a horse during a sunset battle, dramatic clouds, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic. Then choose how many images you want to generate. You can select from 1 to 4. I'll select 4 images so we can compare different results. Next, choose the aspect ratio. For YouTube, 16:9 works perfectly. You can also select 21:9 for a wider cinematic look. After that, select the resolution. I recommend choosing 4K for the best and sharpest quality. You can also enable grid generation to view multiple outputs together. Now, let's talk about the Create Element feature. This is very powerful. You can upload your own image or video, give it a name and description, and save it as an element. This helps you keep characters or styles consistent in different scenes. One of the most exciting features is camera selection. Here you can choose professional camera types like premium large format cameras, modular 8K digital cameras, full-frame cameras, and more. You can also select different lenses such as warm cinema prime or vintage prime lens, then adjust the focal length like 8mm for wide shots, 35mm for natural cinematic framing, or 50mm for portrait style. You can even control the aperture like f4 for soft background blur or f11 for sharp details. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. After a short processing time, your cinematic image will be ready. The lighting, motion, and details look like a real movie scene. You can preview, upscale, enhance, change angles, or download the image easily. Now, let's try another example. This time, I'll enter a new prompt. A beautiful girl walking in a garden, soft sunlight, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, ultra-realistic. I'll select 4 images, keep the aspect ratio 16:9, choose 4K resolution, and enable grid generation. This time, I'll change the camera to modular 8K original camera and switch the lens to get a different look. Then click Generate. After processing, you can see multiple beautiful results based exactly on my prompt. The sunlight looks soft, the background blur is natural, and the overall scene feels cinematic. Below the result, you will see extra features like reference, animate, and what's next. The What's Next feature helps generate the next variation or continuation of your scene. If you click on multiple shot, it converts one image into multiple cinematic angles, almost like different camera shots in a movie. Let's move to the video production section. Switch to the video mode, and you unlock full cinematic animation capabilities. You can optionally upload a reference image or define a consistent character. Then, select camera movement styles such as automatic motion, zoom effects, static framing, or handheld dynamics. You can adjust motion speed, define video duration, and choose between single-shot storytelling or multi-shot sequences for more dynamic results. After selecting the aspect ratio and resolution, you can also choose the cinematic style category. Whether you want a general scene, action-focused energy, horror atmosphere, comedy tone, or another genre, once everything is configured, after processing, you receive a professionally animated cinematic clip with smooth motion, realistic lighting, and scene-appropriate atmosphere. The result feels structured, intentional, and production-ready. Cinema Studio 2.0 within Higgsfield.ai provides a streamlined solution for creating studio-level visuals without traditional production limitations. It combines creative flexibility with technical control, making it suitable for YouTube creators, advertisers, short filmmakers, and digital storytellers. If you'd like to explore it yourself, the link is available in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more professional AI tool insights. I'll see you in the next video.